Introduction. Hello friends, let's sing together. Rules, rules, safety rules. These always help us to stay happy and cool. Hey, let's learn about these safety rules. Objectives. At the end of this course, you will be able to list safety rules, define first aid, describe the method of administering first aid. Friends, we all enjoy walking, playing, riding and swimming. These activities keep us fit and fine. But sometimes we hurt ourselves while doing these activities. So, we all must follow some safety rules to keep ourselves safe. Playing outdoors keeps us healthy. But sometimes mishaps may occur while playing outdoors. The mishaps can be avoided by following some simple rules, such as: first, you should never play on roads. Always prefer playing in the playground. Wear shoes. Follow rules of the game. Do not cheat. Do not fight while playing. Walking on road is fun if we follow some simple rules. These are: you should always go out with your parents. Hold their hand tightly. Walk on footpath and do not run on roads. Always prefer zebra crossing while crossing the road. Keep distance from running vehicles. We should always follow traffic lights when on road. These are made for our safety. Let us learn what they indicate. The red light says, stop, stop, stop. Don't be in a hurry. Green light says, go ahead. There is no threat. And yellow light says, be ready to stop, slow down, and don't hop. Let's play a game to see what you have learned. Place a tick sign for what we should do and cross sign for what we should not do. Swimming is a good exercise if we do it with care. The following are some tips on safety swimming. Always wear swimsuit. Avoid drinking pool water. Do take a bath after swimming. Do not swim directly after eating. We use bus to go from one place to another. A ride by bus is exciting if we keep in mind the following rules. Make a line to get into the bus. No coercive power should be used while getting into the bus. Allow the bus to stop before you get into it. Do not get down from a moving bus. Do not put your head or arms from the moving bus. Fire gives us light and helps us to cook food. It can also cause burns if we do not use it with care. So, you should not play with matchsticks. You should not light firecrackers yourself. Do not go close to fire. A small test to check your knowledge. Click on the true button for true statements and false button for false statements. Some tools like knives, power tools and scissors are very useful to us. We should handle them with care to keep ourselves safe. Never play with them. They are not toys. Do not put your fingers near switch on/off buttons. Do not play with electric wires. Sometimes, even if we are careful, mishaps occur and we hurt ourselves. In that case, we need first aid. Curious to know? What is first aid? The first medical help given to a person in need is called first aid. Remember last time when you fell from your bicycle, what did your father do? Yes. He washed your wound with water and then cleaned it with an antiseptic solution. He then wound a bandage around the wound. This helps the wound to heal up quickly. So friends, if you want to save yourself from pain, follow the safety tips. Let's arrange the following first aid steps in sequence by giving them numbers. Summary. Let's review what we have learned. We all should follow some simple rules to be safe while playing, walking, swimming, and traveling by bus. Sometimes when any mishap occurs, we need first aid. The first